السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. ویلکم ٹو مدنی اسلامک اکیڈمی قرآن تجوید کورس آن لائن. Viewers, today we will learn Saakin letter or silent letter. How do we pronounce Saakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent, and what is Saakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Saakin letter or silent letter? Viewers, in an Arabic accent, a letter which has a sukoon sign or jazm sign on it is called Saakin letter or silent letter. I repeat, in an Arabic accent, a letter which has a sukoon sign or jazm sign on it is called Saakin letter or silent letter. What is sukoon or jazm? This sign is called sukoon or jazm. In an Arabic accent, this sign is called sukoon sign or jazm sign, and this sign always placed above the letter. We remember this sign always placed above the letter, and this sign is called sukoon sign or jazm sign. How do we pronounce the Saakin letter or silent letter? Viewers, in an Arabic accent, the Saakin letter or silent letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. I repeat, in an Arabic accent, the Saakin letter or silent letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. What is mutaharrik letter? The letter which has any harakat like zabar, zer or pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. I repeat, in an Arabic accent, the letter which has any harakat like zabar, zer or pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. Let's see the example of silent letter or Saakin letter. Here za is silent letter or Saakin letter because it has jazm sign on it. This is Saakin letter or silent letter because it has jazm sign on it, and jazm sign always placed above the letter. And this is mutaharrik letter hamza because it has harakat zabar on it. This is hamza mutaharrik letter because it has zer below it. This is mutaharrik letter hamza because it has harakat pesh on it. How do we pronounce the Saakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? Let's learn with spelling. Hamza, za, zabar, az. Hamza, za, zer, is. Hamza, za, pesh, uz. Az, is, uz. Silent letter or Saakin letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. This is mutaharrik letter. How we pronounce Saakin letter or silent letter? Hamza za zabar az, Hamza za zir is, Hamza za pesh uz, az is uz. This is the example of Saakin letter or silent letter. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of Saakin letter or silent letter. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.